Om Shakti. In an oracle dated June 30, 2020, Amma had instructed everyone to perform the nature worship ritual at home on the coming Paurnami, July 4, 2020, for welfare of all the people. The procedure of this ritual has been released as a video on Melmarvattur Siddhar Peedam YouTube channel. There have been many questions raised by devotees on the nature worship procedure. This video will provide the answers. If small unripe bananas are not available, can we use a half sliced raw banana? Yes. Any part of the banana tree that is suitable for consumption as prasadam or blessed food can be used. What time should the nature worship be performed? The nature worship can be performed either in the morning or at evening on Paurnami. Is it mandatory to use only the Varalakshmi Amman's face for this worship? No, the face of any Amman can be used. How can family members who are not present at home consume the banana stem? When the family members are back home, the worship can be done on the subsequent Paurnami day. Can the Maavilakka, flower lamp, prasadam be shared with neighbors? No, this is family worship. Only the family members can partake the Maavilakka prasadam. How are banana florets that are to be dressed as a skirt attached to the banana stem? Any stick-like material can be used to attach, but care has to be taken to remove such materials after the worship and before consumption. If the full moon day falls during the menstrual period, can the worship still be done? Yes, the worship can be done during a period, but considering the physical and mental well-being, this may even be done in the next full moon day. Can bananas and betel leaf be placed as prasadam? Yes. Can we use a substitute if palm jaggery is unavailable? No. Palm jaggery is of immense medicinal value. Amma has instructed to use only palm jaggery. Should this worship be performed every Paurnami? Yes, until further notice, the nature worship should be performed every Paurnami. If the Amman face is not available, how do we proceed? As mentioned in the other YouTube video, the turmeric paste should be used to make the face. Should Deeparadhanai or the Aarti and Drishti be done towards the end? Yes. As per the Melmarvattur Siddhar Peedam procedure, the Deeparadhanai and Drishti should be done towards the end of the ritual. If you have any other questions, please use the comment box below. We will get back to you with answers. Om Shakti.